Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. Okay, I'm going next door to Tim. He is my VCR camcorder repair guy, strategically located. He's been working with my stuff for 15 years. He's hopefully, no, he's not. Hey, Tim. Oh, you're on the phone.
Huh?
Just doing a video here.
Oh, okay.
If you're in Phoenix, you need VCRs fixed, all that stuff. Works on all the old amplifiers and all the old amps and all that stuff, and camcorders and TVs. And
in fact, here's a bunch of your camcorders.
there's my camcorders. Okay, repaired, cleaned, repaired, good stuff. Don't you do valet service?
Yeah.
Anyway, what's the... I know, I gotta stop this in a sec. So anyway, so everything was good, lots of dirty heads.
Everything's cleaned, yeah, lots of dirty heads. They're all cleaned and adjusted and aligned and working again and
Good stuff.
ready for more customers.
Yeah, and this is what you need to do with all your equipment is get it, and that's why all these companies are just terrible, because they're not maintaining their equipment.
Yeah, they're not cleaning it and keeping it up to spec or...
Yeah,
You know.
yeah. Anyway, that's that. I'm here with Tim from Arizona Video Electronics. I got my tapes I'm going to add onto this video. But what were you just saying about people that buy cameras to do it themselves?
Well, they buy cameras to do it themselves, and then they put the tapes in, and they clog up the video heads or damage the units, or they end up putting them in camcorders, damage the tapes to where they're not.
Yeah.
Then you can't be transferred.
And also, if you get one from eBay or any of these places and it plays fine, and then it doesn't play, or you got it and it doesn't play, you give it to a VCR repair guy, and then 3 tapes later, that's the problem.
Right,
is the
that's the
videotape heads have clogged the video heads,
Yeah,
plugged it up, and then they're like, it
restarted.
doesn't work anymore. Well, yeah, it's like cleaning a car and then going back to the car cleaners 5 days later, it goes dirty.
Exactly.
You're like, no shit.
Exactly. And it only takes one tape.
That's all it
plug
takes.
it right back up.
Takes one person's job. And this is what it is to clean everything. I mean, this is what's required to get all this stuff cleaned up and blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, but anyway. All right, cheers.